Today, we're diving into the Pentax K-30, a robust digital SLR that's not afraid to brave the elements. Boasting a 16-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, this camera is a true workhorse for photographers seeking high-quality images in any weather condition. One of the standout features is its full weather sealing throughout the entire body, providing ruggedness and cold proofing that sets it apart. The weather-sealed design goes beyond just the port and battery doors, making it a reliable companion for outdoor enthusiasts. The K-30 doesn't just stop at stills. It ventures into the realm of full 1080p HD video at 30/25/24 fps. The H.264 compression ensures efficient data storage, and the flexible exposure controls and HDR finishing options open up creative possibilities for videographers. With ISO speeds reaching up to 25,600, the K-30 minimizes noise even in challenging lighting conditions. The low-profile glass pen prism viewfinder offers a 100% optical field of view, enhancing your framing accuracy. This camera comes bundled with the 18 to 55mm and 50 to 200mm lenses, providing versatility for various shooting scenarios. The in-camera sensor shift image stabilization adds a layer of convenience, allowing you to use any K-mount lens with confidence. Built upon the reliable Pentax K7, the K-30 inherits its user-friendly operation and compact, lightweight body while introducing improvements like a faster autofocus speed and an upgraded HDR function usable in handheld shooting. Shooting at approximately 6 images per second in continuous mode, it ensures you capture every moment with precision. In summary, the Pentax K-30 is designed to be more than just a weather-sealed camera. It's a functional and maneuverable tool ready to meet the demands of photographers in any weather condition. Whether you're an enthusiast or a professional, the K-30's combination of durability, image quality, and advanced features makes it a compelling choice in the world of digital SLRs. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.